Season's greetings. My name's Sherry, and I am in the test kitchen of Science City again, and we are making mallow squares, a version of marshmallows that's quick and easy to make. So, for this recipe, I am going to start out with 2 cups of granulated sugar, and I have it pre-measured. I'm going to put them in a saucepan, and right now there's no heat. And then to add sort of a substance and to make this sort of chewy, I'm going to add gelatin, unflavored gelatin, and it comes in a box like this, and I'm going to add 3 packets. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, which is 1/8 of a teaspoon. I also have pre-measured. And I'm going to give this a stir to mix all of the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And with the 2 cups of water, I'll give it a stir, and then I am going to turn this on to a medium-low heat. And I'm going to stir this until the sugar dissolves. And then once it dissolves, then I will let it heat up 3 more minutes. So I just turned off the heat, and now I am going to add some flavoring to this mixture. We're adding vanilla, which makes everything taste good. And this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and because I don't want to spill it, I'm actually going to put it in with a pipette, because here at Science City, we have scientific equipment like pipettes. And let's just give that a stir. Now the science with this, we're using a gelatin, which is a polymer, a long string of molecules. And when we heat them up, they tend to want to straighten out. And when we cool it down, which we'll do a little bit later, they kind of get a little gummy or chewy. But we're going to add some air to the marshmallows. So follow me over here. And we're transferring the hot liquid to a bowl here because we're going to whip it good, right? Okay, I've got a hand mixer, but if you have a stand mixer, this might be a good time to use it because we're going to mix for 10 minutes or more until we get what looks like marshmallow cream. So here we go. And it has been just a little over 10 minutes. And our mixture is nice and creamy, like marshmallow fluff. So we're going to pour it in an already greased bowl, or pan. This is a pan. And I greased it with butter. And there's a lot in the bowl here. And this is a 9 by 13 pan. And now we're going to set this aside and let it cool. So our marshmallows have been cooling for a few hours now. And I wanted to garnish them with something special for the holidays. So I took a peppermint stick and I bashed it with a rolling pin, and we're going to sprinkle that over the top. To make them nice and pretty and tasty. And now you can cut them into squares and enjoy them alone, or if you want to cut them and drop them in a mug of cocoa and make it special, that's a good idea as well. Happy holidays from the Test Kitchen in Science City.